everyone, welcome back to Carsjade, where we break down the hottest cars hitting the streets and give you the lowdown in style. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting throwbacks in modern automotive history. The 2026 Chevy Chevelle 454. Yup, you heard that right. The Chevelle is back, and it's packing some serious muscle. Whether you're a die-hard classic car fan or just love the sound of a growling V8, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the vibe. The 2026 Chevelle 454 isn't just a nod to the past. It's a full-on tribute with modern flair. Chevy didn't just slap the Chevelle badge on a new frame and call it a day. They brought back the soul of American muscle, re-engineered for today's roads, tracks, and yes, your Instagram feed. Driving this car is like stepping into a time machine, with touchscreen NAV and Bluetooth. It's nostalgic, but fresh. Loud, but refined. Chevy knew exactly what they were doing here, and we're absolutely here for it. From the moment you see it, you know the Chevelle 454 means business. It's got that wide stance, low ride height, and those muscular lines that scream, "Get out of the way." Up front, you'll spot a blacked-out grille, quad LED headlights with a retro edge, and that long sculpted hood with optional racing stripes. The rear fenders flare just enough to remind you this is a performance car, not a poser. The rear is just as menacing with sleek taillights, a ducktail spoiler, and dual exhausts that sound as good as they look. Chevy even brought in some special color options like Rally Orange, Midnight Black, and a metallic Heritage Blue. It looks classic, but make no mistake, this is a thoroughly modern machine. Step inside, and it's a perfect mashup of old-school vibes and next-gen tech. You've got leather-wrapped bucket seats with retro stitching, a T-handle shifter in the center console, and analog-inspired digital gauges. It's the kind of cabin that makes you feel like you're driving a piece of history, but without the 70s radio static. Modern features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound system by Bose, heads-up display, ambient interior lighting, climate-controlled seating. And for the purists, yes, there's a manual transmission option, complete with clutch pedal and short throw stick. Just how it should be. Now let's get to the real reason you're here, the heart of this beast. Under the hood is a 7.4-liter V8, a modern interpretation of the iconic 454 big block. This isn't just for show, it's delivering an estimated 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, putting it in the same league as modern supercars. It comes standard with a 6-speed manual, but there's also a performance-tuned 10-speed automatic available. And yes, it includes launch control, adjustable suspension, and active exhaust so you can control just how much thunder you're unleashing. 0 to 60? Chevy claims around 3.9 seconds, depending on configuration. Top speed, over 190 miles per hour. And handling, tight. With a reworked chassis, rear-wheel drive, and modern traction systems, the Chevelle 454 doesn't just go fast, it drives fast. Chevy plans to release the 2026 Chevelle 454 in spring 2026, with pre-orders expected to open in late 2025. The base model will start around $72,000, with top trims and performance packages potentially climbing into the $90,000 to $100,000 range. For a car that blends heritage and horsepower like this, it's actually a solid deal. So, what do you think of the new Chevelle 454? Is it the muscle car comeback we've been waiting for? Or did Chevy miss the mark? Let us know down in the comments. We love hearing what the Carsjade community thinks. If you enjoyed the ride, go ahead and hit that like button, tap the bell so you never miss a drop, and subscribe to Carsjade for more high-octane reviews, leaks, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep driving bold.